Dear students, in this section we are going to discuss on the concept of scatter diagram, uses of scatter diagram and types of scatter diagram. This episode consists of the following sub-modules: Introduction, Concept of scatter diagram, Methodology of scatter diagram, Uses of scatter diagram, Parameters of scatter diagram, Types of scatter diagram. Next we are move on to the introduction part. Identification of causal relationship among different characteristics is an important concern of any scientific investigation. Social scientist on several occasions wants to know whether a series of values vary directly or inversely with another series, which called as correlation. The factor which is supposed to be the cause is known as the independent variable, and the one which is supposed to be the effect is known as the dependent variable. Thus, the variation in dependent variable may be explained in terms of the variations in the independent variables. In case there exists a causal relationship, both the values of independent and dependent variables will vary together. If an increase in the independent variable tends to cause an increase in the dependent variable, the relationship is said to be positive correlation. For example, good rainfall causes a higher agriculture production. On the other hand, if an increase in the independent variable leads to decrease in the value of dependent variable, which called as negative correlation. For example, good medical facilities causes to reduce the number of deaths. Sometimes there is no relationship between the variables, for example, literacy and rainfall. Therefore, measurement of the degree and direction of relationship is useful to explaining the variations in different phenomena. Mainly, there are two ways to explain the correlation. There are graphical method, mathematical method. So, graphical method is subdivided into two groups. They are scatter diagram, second one is simple graph. So, in the same way, mathematical method is also subdivided into three groups. They are Carl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, second one Spearman's rank correlation, third one methods of least square. Scatter diagram is a type of graphical form to show the degree of relationship.